everyone, I'm Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about an ultra-luxury residential project which is located in North Bangalore's rapidly growing Devanahalli corridor. The project is called Sattva Vasanta Sky by Sattva Group, and in this video we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's get started. Sattva Vasanta Sky is a premium large-scale residential development located within the Sattva urban township right off Bellary Road, also known as NH44. This project is spread across approximately 16 acres and has been thoughtfully designed for luxury living with nearly 80% open space and well-planned layout that focus on comfort and functionality. The development features 3 grand towers with a basement plus ground plus 14 floors configuration and offers a total of 1077 residences. The homes are designed with Vastu compliant layout and efficient spaces planning to ensure minimal space wastage. One unique design feature is the private balcony fins, which enhances both privacy and the overall architectural appeal of the project. With a position expected around May 2031, this project is well suited for both long-term investors and luxury home buyers. Now let's talk about the location and connectivity. So one of the biggest advantage of Sattva Vasanta Sky is its strategic location inside the Sattva urban township with a direct access to Bellary Road. Kempegowda International Airport and the upcoming airport metro station are just about 10 minutes away from this project. Prestige Tech Cloud and Aerospace Park can also be reached in approximately 10 minutes. Devanahalli town and the railway station are located nearby, while Galleria Mall in Yelahanka is around 20 minutes away. Hebbal and the Outer Ring Road can be accessed in roughly 30 minutes, making daily travel quite convenient. And this location offers a strong combination of connectivity, convenience, and future growth potential. Moving on to the amenities and lifestyle. So the major highlight of the project is its massive 45,000 square feet grand clubhouse. Resident will also have access to a half Olympic size rooftop swimming pool, co-working spaces, banquet hall and dedicated event areas. The project includes beautifully landscaped zone and nature trails that create a peaceful living environment. And now let's take a look at the pricing and configuration. So the project offers a wide range of options including 1, 2.5, 3 and 4 BHK residences. Apartment sizes ranges from approximately 731 square feet to 2254 square feet, and the price starts from 79.58 lakh rupees onwards, with the rates beginning at around 9,890 rupees per square feet. This variety makes the project suitable for different types of buyers, whether you are looking for a primary residence or an investment opportunity. Now let's take a look at the booking process. So the booking process follows a structured and RERA compliant approach. North Bangalore, especially the airport corridor, is witnessing significant growth driven by upcoming metro connectivity, technology park and large-scale infrastructure development. So if you are looking for a premium lifestyle home or a long-term high-growth investment opportunity in Bangalore, then Sattva Vasanta Sky is definitely a project worth considering. For brochure, pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.